knows that you're doing a Yui, you know, except you.
Yeah.
Nothing to do with driving this one. We're just looking at this lady on the left-hand side. I say lady. Got rubbish in her hand. Just lobs it into someone's garden. How lovely. There's a time for filtering, and that definitely isn't the right time for filtering.
Technical term, is it? Yeah. Small one.
Now this clip here is when two idiots meet on a road. These two here, just watch, I'll keep quiet.
Fun and games happening behind. Fun and games happening behind. This idiot.
Whoa.
What's he doing?
He's trying to get someone probably who's
This
driven
guy
it.
here.
Yeah.
That's what it is. Them two have had afters, but he's jumped into my lane as well. There we go. He's going to be afters again now.
He's waiting to see where he's going, isn't he? Twats. How embarrassing. That's so embarrassing. Road rage.
But he's so involved in that car that he crushed me as well.
Yeah.
So whatever that idiot has done to him, he's done it back.
Yeah.
And then obviously he's doing it
Exactly
again
that.
now.
Yeah.
Really, mate?
Just another bully boy in a lorry. Just remember, indicating does not give you priority, even if you are driving a 40-foot lorry.
Lorry, just, I'm going out. Behind me, lorry behind me, just, I'm pulling out. And this car next to me was next to him.
Yeah.
It's like, where's he supposed to go?
Yeah.
He forced him out into the outside lane. It's like, bully boy Pratt. People are weird.
On Twitter and saw the video.
These arrows on the floor, they're pretty new. You can see they're really nicely done. It's quite obvious what it means, isn't it? Maybe not.
When I used to work at Swan National, which was a car rental company, before I had Billy, we used to send rental cars all before I had Billy. We used to send rental cars all over the place, and we used to send them to RAF Norfolk, Hull, and RAF Bryce, North and other.
In the new highway code on zebra crossings, if a person is waiting at a zebra crossing, you should stop. Now this person here is about to put a foot on the crossing, so you should stop. Should be ready for it. No, just go straight through. But what about this one? I mean, really, that's not even close. Now this guy in front of me, why he don't stop at the red light, I do not know. He can't go nowhere. You can see how much traffic is in front of him.
We went and looked at it, didn't we?
And I don't know why he cannot see that no right turn sign. Maybe it's not big enough for him. But he is a professional driver.
Big no right turn and he's going to turn right.
And I did notice this clown going through a red light there.
And he's a professional driver, that's good.
Yep.
Come up again, you might say.
And speaking of red lights,
People have circles.
if we have a green, it's going to be red the other way. It's obvious. So that was a red light that he went through too.
I don't want to miss a whole chunk of whatever this course is if you're expecting me to do it properly.
Yeah.
That's the one that we really do.
Now this guy here, it's pretty early, as you can see. He's tired. Or maybe it's my red lights that are, my red brake lights that are dazzling him. But he looks tired to me. But as you can see later on, I've got a funny feeling it might have been red lights that you don't like.
Yeah.
As you can see, we go down here. Now there's a bus lane here, and I don't know the bus lane time. So I'm staying out of it just in case it's a 24-hour one. Can't see the sign. I can't read the sign in the light. But he obviously knows. But he doesn't know how to stop at a red light. Oh, we're looking at this pedestrian here. He's pressing the button, but you can just about see that he's got a green man anyway, which he doesn't cross. Now he's got a red man. Unfortunately, the camera doesn't quite pick it up. He's starting to walk now when they've got a green light. I wonder how he got that limp. Crossing the road, maybe?
Where do you guys finish this tournament?
Nothing bad happens here. It's just in case we've got some plane spotters amongst you.
You forgive me? Do you forgive me? Moreira, thank you very much for having me in your restaurant, first of all, but how did you find the game?
Amazing. I feel so proud because being here, eating a really lovely food, being a Sunday.
Starts again as if that European final never happened, with a clean slate for people to have a go at him. Now, the Champions
Fucking hell!
produced a set of teams that were
Really?
It was always going to be difficult for Rangers. I think people need to wake
The
up.
hell's
and grow
going
up.
on
They got into
there?
the Champions League group. They got some extra revenue, and at the beginning of the season, they'd have bitten everyone's arm off at the shoulder for that opportunity. They came out of it without much credit. But the problem for Gianni, he comes bouncing out of the
Must
game
it be?
against Ajax and gets beaten.
That was
with
really
Drowsy.
close.
And those are the things that build up the momentum.
Dozy
And
cow.
You can't correct a ship. You can't say, well, listen, we learned a lot.
Now you can see how far this car is. It happens to be an Audi, by the way. Away from me. I just want to get in there, out of his way. But he makes it as hard as possible by driving straight at me.
He's driving straight at me. You fucking wanker. Fucking wanker in an Audi again. Fucking tossers. They really are. Jesus fucking weps. Fucking 2 lanes. Fucking donut.
Price may vary, delivery fees apply. 18 plus, subject to availability.
John, I need those numbers
on my desk by 9 a.m. And I need you to work this weekend as well. No problem.
Speed camera ahead.
Looks good.
You can see that guy indicating, yeah? You can see him indicating, yeah? Open your fucking eyes!